They were selling the dollar and buying the euro. So even though they were selling the dollar against the euro, they were buying it against the Swiss. If you look at the pound dollar also, which we did a minute ago, but just to confirm the fact, they were they were buying the dollar against. I mean, I'm sorry, they were selling the dollar against the pound. They were selling the dollar against the euro. They were selling the dollar against the Aussie. And let's see what it's doing against the yen. And they were selling the dollar against the yen. But they were buying the dollar and selling the Swiss. And that now gives us a view of what is going to happen in the market next week. If they were selling the dollar across the board except versus the Swiss, this means that they are selling the Swiss across the board. And guess what's going to happen to the Swiss when they start buying the dollar? Really buying the dollar, or the dollar starts moving up? Then my bias is, in this case, I want to be long the dollar and short the Swiss, and continue doing so. So with that, I need to identify an entry point to be a buyer. This is also already a buy signal. This is the 85.87 is my structure point. So 85.09, so it's about 20 pips away. So right there, the 85.09, which is the daily high. Okay, so the 85.09, let's say, which is right above the UK session. So this is my buying point. I will buy the dollar Swiss above 85.09, and I will sell it on a trade below the 84.75, which is right there. And my structure long is the 85.57 from last week, and my structure short is the all-time low, which is the 83.26, again, which is historically low. And if I buy it at 85.07, then what I need to do, where will I place my stop? The only place I can put it is, now I have my momentum low over here, and I have my market side over here. They're pretty much one and the same. So that's going to be below, that's going to be my stop, which is going to be the 84.70. And if I go short below 84.75, I can't go short 84.75 while my stop is 84.70. So I have to bring this down. I'll take the 3 days high of 84.57 just to be on the safe side, and in this case I can have both stops as the 84.70. That makes a little bit more sense. So this is my buying point. This is my stop. This is my selling point, and this is also my stop. Okay, so just to recap the dollar Swiss, just to recap, we are going to buy the dollar above 85.70, and my structure long is 85.57, and if I do buy it, I'm going to place my stop below 84.70. I will only go short below 84.57, and my structure short is the all-time historical low of 83.26, and if I do go short, I'm placing my stop at, again, using the same stop of 84.70. Okay, that is the dollar Swiss.